It's time to unveil Nexa's New Age Baleno.
What happens when you give technology a bold personality? It starts feeling like a revolution, looking like the boldest ever. Sounding like an immersive theater. Connecting like a smartphone. Watching over like cameras. Protecting like a bold shield. Welcome to the age of sensorial driving. Where intelligence and technology become one with the human touch. Introducing the New Age Baleno. Tech goes bold.
The New Age Baleno! It's time for some pictures, people. And brace for the unveiling of the price of the New Age Baleno.
Shall we open the price?
Friends, we also have Maruti with the subscription service. So the New Age Baleno will also be part of it. So may I also request for the price for the subscription to be released as well.